how to make money on Upwork as a content marketing strategist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by creating our account. So here, make sure to join as a freelancer. Then click on apply as a freelancer. Then you proceed to fill in the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. Then you click on create my account. For me, I'm going just to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to enter my email, continue with email, and then my password, then login. And then you'll proceed to setting up your profile. So this is where you're going to set up your profile. And this is the last step of setting the profile. So let's go back to start from the first step. Let's go back to start from the beginning of creating our profile. So here, let's get started. And here we have a question: have you freelanced before? And you have 3 answers to choose from. Choose the answer that fits your situation. I'm a brand new to this, that's what I'm going to choose. You can choose the one that fits you. Then click on next. And what's your biggest goal for freelancing? Again, choose the answer that fits your situation. And then for the third question, how would you like to work? Here I'm advising you to choose all of these answers. They are all helpful. Then click on next to create a profile. So here you have 3 options to choose from. You can either import your information from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume if you have it in a PDF file, or you can fill it out manually. It will take less than 5 minutes. It will not even be 15 minutes. So let's fill it out manually. And here, start a new profile. You can enter your skill in here, content marketing strategist, and then click on next to add your experience. Click on the plus button and add your previous work experience. Then click on next if you fill it. If not, just click on skip to proceed to enter your education history. And after your education history, you proceed to add in the languages that you can speak or write. So here we have English, which is a must in this platform. You cannot work in here without English. All profiles include this. And here you choose your level in that language. So for me, my level in English is conversational. And then click on add a language to add more. So I'm going to add 2 more. The second one is Arabic, which is my native language. And the third one is French. I've studied it a little bit in school. So my level in it is basic. And here, native. And then click on next to add your skills. So they've already suggested some skills for us based on our previous answers. So you can choose these skills: content marketing, content writing. So you can add maximum 15 skills. So there is enough room for other skills if you have them. And after you're done with your skills, click on next to write an overview. So here, write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. You can just go to, before that, this is an example of a bio. As you can see, a small text and some bullet points. And guys, you can just go to ChatGPT and enter your skill, which is, or just type, I'm a content marketing strategist. Give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and you'll get a very decent bio. You will just need to copy and paste it in here. And if you want, you can add some personal information about you, and then you'll have your bio ready. For me, I'm just going to take Marty's bio, because going to ChatGPT will make the video very long. And after that, click on next to choose your categories. So here they've already suggested some services for us. Again, marketing, PR, and brand strategy, and content writing. And we can just choose these ones. And then we can also select another ones here, sales and marketing. You can go for digital marketing as well, and then click on next to set your rate. Let's go with $30 per hour. You can always change that later. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here make sure to fill all of these information, the date of your birth, your country, street address, city, and so on. And for your profile picture, make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So keep that in mind, guys. And when you're done with creating your profile, I'm going to show you a strategy that I use personally in order to improve my profile to attract as many clients as possible. So the strategy is basically looking for my competitors and finding the highest earner amongst them, and then spying on his profile, see what is he doing differently than me, how is he talking about his service in his bio, how much he gets paid per hour, and all of that. And if I find something that works for him, I'm going to implement it to my profile. So that's basically the idea. So here we're going to search for the highest earner. So here we have more than 20 grand, and he gets paid $30 per hour. More than 40 grand, and he gets paid $70 per hour. More than 100 grand, the highest, it's not the highest. We have here more than $1 million earned, and she gets paid $48 per hour, and I guess this is our highest earner. There is no way we can find another one who earned more than $1 million, but there is no harm in looking in the other pages. Another one who earned more than $1 million, and he gets paid a lot based on the previous one that we found. Let's check the third page to see if we can find another surprise. So I guess that's our highest earner. I forgot his name. Wait a minute. So Robert R is our highest earner. So we're going to implement that strategy of ours on him. And guys, in order to find more work in the platform, just go to find work, click on find work for your skills, and in this search box enter your skill, and you will see all of the available jobs that are looking for your skill. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.